Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by prepping essentials so the technique is smooth. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a skillet. Once shimmering, add minced garlic and toast briefly to release aroma. Meanwhile, boil 200 g noodles in salted water until al dente. Drain and reserve 1/2 cup cooking water. You still want bite in the noodles. This helps them absorb sauce later. Once done, transfer noodles to the skillet and keep heat medium. You're ready for the next, more hands-on phase. You now deepen the flavor by creating a silky sauce. Pour 1 cup broth and 2 tablespoons soy into the hot skillet. Reduce briefly so flavors concentrate. Once the liquid shows steam and aroma, fold in the drained noodles and the reserved 1/2 cup cooking water to marry starch and sauce. Stir vigorously for 2 to 3 minutes. This helps sauce cling and prevents sticking. Make sure to scrape the fond from the pan. That browning carries savory depth you want in every bite. You finish by adding 1 tsp sesame oil and sliced scallions to lift aroma and brightness. Squeeze lime if you like acidity. Toss gently so noodles remain glossy rather than clumped. Plate immediately to preserve texture. If the sauce seems thin, simmer 30 to 60 seconds to reduce. If it's too dry, add 1 to 2 tablespoons water and toss. That troubleshooting step fixes texture without overcooking. Taste, adjust salt or acidity, and serve hot. This is how.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.